In this video, we will go through an easy way to quickly boost your profits in 2021 and beyond. Watch until the end to discover how you can get your free online marketing training from one of the best internet marketers in the world. Before we start, if you get some value out of this video, please subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive more like it in the future. You can have new income streams as the quickest way to double your profits. By having a side hustle, it is the fastest way to add some extra profits. You can make some changes to your existing business to add an extra percentage or two to your profits. But it is probably faster to just add a new income stream. Perhaps you can start an online business as a side hustle. The easy way to quickly boost your profits is to have the relevant tools you can use to leverage your time and streamline the process for your business. Promoting a business with appropriate tools are important for any organization. This incorporates traditional businesses that want to go online, existing digital organizations, or internet marketers who want to earn an income from home. There are so many choices out there, and it is challenging to find out what is most appropriate for your needs. There are tools that help you create websites, building sales funnels, and developing shopping carts that allow you to accept online payments. One of the issues that business owners tend to face is that the different software does not appear to be the most appropriate for them. That is the reason GrooveFunnels was developed. GrooveFunnels is an all-in-one suite of online business tools intended for business owners, which is simple to use and without the costly software price. GrooveFunnels is not only simple to use, but it is also free. Since taking the internet marketing industry by storm in early 2020, GrooveFunnels has become the #1 platform in the market. In Groove's effort to over-deliver, it has announced the launch of Groove magazine in the later part of 2020. It is dubbed as the definitive advertising and business magazine as a guide for ambitious entrepreneurs and online business owners. The magazine will contain decades of entrepreneurial experience in each issue. Besides the magazine, you also have the once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to learn from Groove's very best internal marketing team. Are you looking for a new best way to start an online business with a system to help you develop multiple income sources? Do you want to be able to learn digital marketing directly from one of the very best internet marketers in the world? If your answer is yes to the above questions, now is an ideal time to get started with GrooveFunnels. If you want to guarantee success and make things a bit easier, you can set SMART goals. SMART goals are specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and time-bound. You can also use proven processes, but you do not have to do it all by yourself. That is one of the main reasons Groove created the free 2021 Fast Start Marketing Lab training. The Fast Start Marketing training has over 40 sessions from the Groove multi-million-dollar marketing team. The training provides you with the process and helps you get your new business up and running so that you can double your profits in 2021 and beyond. Click on the first link in the video description to get your free 2021 Fast Start Marketing Lab training, which is valued at $1,997. The registration for the free training is closing on the 6th of January 2021. Disclaimer: this video is not intended for use as a source of legal, business, accounting, or financial advice. All viewers are advised to seek the services of competent professionals. If you get some value from this video, share the love by giving it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to receive more like it in the future. Thanks for watching.